What if I told you the richest people on Earth pay less tax than you? Not percentage, actual money. And the craziest part? It's completely legal. In 2021, ProPublica leaked something explosive. Thousands of confidential IRS records, the private tax returns of the richest people on the planet. And what they revealed wasn't just shocking, it was infuriating. Because while you pay tax on every rupee you earn, some billionaires paid zero. Not low, zero. Jeff Bezos paid zero tax in 2007 and again in 2011. Elon Musk paid zero in 2018. Meanwhile, your salary gets taxed before it even reaches your bank account. You don't get a choice. They do. And that's where the real story begins. Because this isn't luck. This isn't a loophole. This is a system. A system designed by the same people who benefit from it. New York, London, Zurich, Singapore. Glass towers, closed rooms, quiet deals. This is where the rules are written. Not broken, rewritten. Now let's talk about something simple. Taxable income. Sounds boring, but this is where everything flips. Imagine this. You work a job. You earn money. You get taxed. Simple. Now imagine someone else. Their wealth increases by billions in a single year, but they didn't earn it. On paper, they became richer, but legally, they earned nothing. So they pay nothing. That's not a bug. That's the design. Because the system doesn't tax wealth, it taxes income. And the rich don't play the income game. They play a different game. Assets, growth, borrowing, no tax. But here's where it gets insane. All the gains that were never taxed are reset to zero. The next generation inherits the wealth, almost tax-free. Billions wiped clean. But this is just the beginning. Because what happens when money doesn't just grow, but disappears? In 2016, the Panama Papers exposed a hidden world. Millions of documents, shell companies, secret accounts, money moving silently across borders, from the US to Ireland, to the Netherlands, to Bermuda. This system even had nicknames: the double Irish, the Dutch sandwich. Sounds harmless, but it moved billions out of high-tax countries into tax havens. Places like the Cayman Islands, the British Virgin Islands, Luxembourg, where taxes barely exist and secrecy is guaranteed. And while this happens, you pay income tax, you pay GST, you pay tax on fuel. Every step of your life is taxed. But the biggest money escapes. And here's the real villain. Not a person, the system. A system so complex that most people never question it, and those who understand it control it. Because if you can write the rules, you never have to break them. So when leaks happen, nothing changes, because the game was never broken. It was built this way, carefully, over decades. So ask yourself, if the richest pay less, then who is really funding the system? The answer is uncomfortable. It's you. Your salary, your spending, your life. Because in this world, the real power is not making money. It's deciding how much of it you never have to give back. And the people at the top already decided. Now, the only question is, will you keep playing the game or finally understand it?